Dear students, now we are going to discuss face value and place value. For example, so our number is 8, 7, 2, 9. Then what is the face value and what is the position value and what is the place value? Face value means whatever is the number is there, that number we have to take. No change, nothing. 8, 7, 8 face value is 8 only, 7 face value is 7 only, and 2 face value is 2 only, and 9 face value is 9 only. Then after that, what is the position? So position value we have to write first. So 8 is in thousands place. This is position. So where the 8 is in thousand position. That is thousand position. And 7 is in 100 position. 7 is 100 position. And 2 is in tens position. 9 is in ones position. So first of all, face value whatever the numeral is given. So in that numeral, the face value is constant. 8 face value is 8 only, and 7 face value is 7 only, and 2 face value is 2 only, and 9 face value is 9 only. After that, position value, where this 8 is in thousand position, then thousand position, and 7 is in 100 position, that is 100, and 2 is in 10 position, then 10, and 9 is in 1 position, then 1 only. Then place value. Now we have to write the place value. How to write? 8 is in thousand position, 8 into 1000, 8000. This is the place value. Then 7 is in 100 position, then 700. Then 2 is in 10 position, 2, then 20. Then 9 is in 1 position, then 9 ones are 9. This is the place value. Then these are the place values and face value. Whatever the new number is given, first 8 face value is 8 only, and 7 face value is 7 only, and 2 face value is 2 only, and 9 face value 9 only. Then after that, position, where this 8 is in thousand position, and 7 is in 100 position, and 2 is in 10 position, and 9 is in 1 position. Then place value, then 8 is in thousands place, then 8 into 1000, 8000. Then 7 is in hundreds position, 7 into 100, 700, and 2 is in 10 position, then 2 tens are 20. Then 9 is in 1 position, then 9 ones are 9. This is the difference between face value and place value. Face value means whatever the number is there, that number we have to write, and place values we have to check where the number in the position, we have to multiply with that number and write. If it is in thousands place, we have to take 8000. If it is in hundreds place, 100, and tens place, how many numbers are there, that many tens, and ones, that many ones. So this is the method to write face values and place values. Now friends, now we are going to discuss about expanded form and whatever given number, given numeral into expanded form. So one of the example is given, that is 7945. We have to write this in expanded form. First, this is the thousands place number, this is hundreds place number, this is tens place number, this is unit place number, ones place number. Then 7 is in thousands place, then 7 into 1000, 7 into 1000. Then after that, 9 is in hundreds place, 9 into 100 we have to take. Then after that, 4 is in tens place, that is 4 into 10. Then 5 is in ones place, then we have to take 5 into 1. This is our expanded form. This number into expanded form, this numeral into expanded form. 7 in thousand place, 7 into 1000, 7 into 1000. 9 is in 100 place, 9 into 100. 4 is in 10 place, 4 into 10. Then 5 into 1. Why 5 into 1? 5 is in ones place. One more example. 8397. Then how to write this number into expanded form. So then first 8 is in 1000 place, 8 into 1000 plus 3 is in 100 place, then 3 into 100 plus 9 is in tens place, that is 9 into 10 plus 7 in ones place, 7 into 1. This is the expanded form. Suppose one more example, 8050. Then how to write this in expanded form? Again the same method, 8 is in 1000 place, 8 into 1000 plus, after that plus, then 0 is in 100 place, then 0 into 100, again after that plus, 5 is in tens place, then 5 into 10, again plus, 0 is in one place, ones place, then 0 into 1. So this is the method, expanded form method. Whatever number is given, so first we have to check what the number is, which number is there in hundreds place, and which number is there in tens place, and which number is there hundreds place. In that way, so we have to write 7 is thousands place, that is 7 into 1000, 9 is in 100 place, that is 9 into 100, 4 is in tens place, 4 into 10, and 5 in one place, ones place, that is 5 into 1. In between we keep plus, plus, plus. In the similar way, if 0 will come, then we take 0 into 100. If it is in hundreds place, 0 into 100. If it is in ones place, 0 into 1. If it is in thousands place, 0 into whatever number is there, that into place value. That into place value. Number into face value into place value. Face value into place value. Place value into place value. That is our expanded form. Expanded form is nothing but we have to take face value into place value plus face value with place value plus face value with place value. We have to goes on. This is the expanded form. Then after that, even number and odd number. What is the concept of even number and odd number? What numbers are even numbers and which numbers are odd numbers? Here, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These numbers, all these numbers are odd numbers. And which type of numbers are odd numbers? Whatever the number is there, if the number in the unit place, the number is odd, then that is the odd number. For example, 4-digit number 3597, 3597. In this number, we have to check what is there in ones place. In ones place, 7 is there. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 7 is there in odd. If ones place number is odd number, then this complete number is odd number. Odd number. Once again, what is odd number? If any of the number from these number is there in ones place, then the number is odd number. Then the number is odd number. What numbers? Which numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These 5 numbers. In these 5 number, if any of the number comes in ones place, in ones digit, then that number is the odd number. For example, I gave one example 3, 5, 7, 9, 7. We have to check the last ones place. What is there in ones place? Ones place 7 is there. 7 is odd number. So this complete number is odd number. In the same way, 2871. 2871. This is the number. Either this number is even number or odd number. First we have to check the last, means ones place. If the ones place is odd, means 1. Here 1 is there. 1 is odd number. If 1 is odd number, then complete number is odd number. In the same way, even numbers. First it starts from 0. 0, 1 is there, 2 is not there, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. These are even numbers. If any of the number from these number comes in the unit place of the number, then the number is even number. For example, 5834. It is 5834. In this, what is the number in ones place? That is 4. 4 means 4 is there in even. So this complete number is even number. So it means either the number is even number or odd number. It depends on one's place. If one's place is odd number, then the number is odd number. If one's place is even number, then the number is even number. This. So you have to remember 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, so on. These are the odd numbers, and 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. These are the even numbers. Yes, friends. Now we are going to discuss about successor, predecessor. What is the successor and what is the predecessor? Successor means success, means forward. Predecessor means back. So suppose if 77 is a number, if I ask what is the successor of this number, successor means forward. Means what comes after this number? What comes after this number? After 77, 78 will come. Then 77 successor is 78. If suppose the same number 77, what is the predecessor of 77? Means we have to write before number. What is the before number? 77 before number is 76. Predecessor is this, successor is this. Successor means after the number. Predecessor means before the number. In the same way, if 84 is given, 84 successor, what is the 84 successor? Successor means after the number. 84, after 84, 85. Predecessor means before. 84 before which number will come? That is 83. This is the successor and predecessor. If 3-digit number is 321. 321 successor. What is the successor of 321? 322. The same way 321 predecessor is before 320. This is the successor and predecessor concept. Successor means after the number and predecessor means before the number. What number comes before and what number comes after. This is the predecessor and successor concept. So, yes, now students, here write the place value and face value of 3 in the given number. What is the given number? 4354. In this number we have to write face value of 3 and place value of 3. Already we discussed face value and place value and position value. What is the face value and what is the place value and what is the position value? The same. Here 3 is here. In the given number, where is our 3? Here 3. This is the solution. Take that number 4354. This is the number. In this number, here we have 3. 3 face value and place value. Here, face value 3 is 3 only. Face value of 3 is 3 only. And place value, here 3 is in hundreds place. This is ones place, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. 3 is in hundreds position, so that is why the place value of 3 is 300. So this is the difference. Already we discussed face value, position value and place value. Face value of 3, face value is 3 only, and 3 is in the position of hundreds position, it is there. So 3 into 100, that is 300. This is the place value. 3 face value and place value. In the same, the next question, same, this question also based on face value and place value. 2 questions, total 3 questions are there. So these 3 questions based on face value and place value. In the question 3210, face value and 0 place value. What is the face value and what is the place value? 0 face value is 0 only. 0 face value, 0 only. And after that, place value. What is the place value? 0 is here. 0 is in one place, one space, then 0 into 1, 0 only. Here 0 place value and 0 face value, both are same. So this is the 65, 365. Now write the place values of the digits given below. So here 365, 100 and 986. So these are the numbers given. So then 5 is in ones place, that is 5. 6 is in tens place, 60. Then 3 is in hundreds place, that is 300. In the same way, 0 is in ones place, 0. 0 is in tens place, 0. 1 is in hundreds place, 100. In the same way, 6 is in hundreds place, 6. 8 is in tens place, 9 is in hundred place, 900.